thought I'd start. Actually, I might get it off. I might start by reading a poem from my latest zine. And it's called Monkey Brains. I hate monkeys. Murderous, vicious, raping little beasts, obsessed with their own popularity. I've got more empathy for a cockroach on the street. As for apes, they're just glorified flunkies. I hate monkeys. I hate their mask-like faces, close-set beady eyes, toothy sneers, flapping ears, imposing hoots, and their busy little hands, busy. But worst of all is their incessant chatter about mindless rubbish that doesn't matter. Man-apes have discovered subwoofers, so they can blast their babble as loud as they like a giant grind organ from hell. They're even blasting it into outer space as well, hoping some poor distant race will find it interesting. Bloody hell. Sometimes, when I look in the mirror, I see a monkey staring back. And that worries me because of what monkeys do. Today, monkeys are shrieking because the BBC made a documentary about an old man-ape choosing to die peacefully in his bed. The monkeys said, "Whoa, whoa, 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 whoa! It's too explicit. It will cause viewer distress." They said they would rather he be shot dead or blown up in his bed, like the people we see on the nightly news. Where are we? Sorry. Where are we at? Like the pickle. Oh, what a ratings booster is man. To ensure that we never go back to the trees, we're chopping them down to every degree, turning a once fertile, breathtaking planet full of intricately beautiful, intelligent life into a lifeless waste dump. And why? To fuel a technology that will blast us into the vastness of vacuous space. And why? To find intelligent life, of course. And to mine the fuck out of everything. That's monkey logic for you. And to create a brave new world. Not half as good as the one we've just bollocksed, but at least we monkeys will be in control, and control is vital to the monkey. In fact, monkeys believe that the greatest eternal controlling force of the universe is in fact a giant monkey. Which makes no logical sense whatsoever, except to monkeys. The monkey brain, oversized and so auspicious, has one true virtue. It tastes delicious. So, if we do find an intelligent race in the desolate wilds of deep outer space, I hope it eats us. Thank you.